Nathan and I are back goose hunting again. We're ready to go. It's about 5:25 a.m., but got about a little over an hour before shooting light. Gonna go park the truck and see you at shooting light. Sorry if it's a little dark, but here is the spread. We just got a big L going. Tough wind today. And by tough wind, I mean there's absolutely no wind, so we'll see how this one plays out. But, some ducks flying above us, but sweet, dude. All right, we'll, catch up again when the birds start flying. Ready? Yep. Come on, turn. God, I don't know. Oh, they're turning. Here we go. Oh, they turned instantly. Take them. Good shit. We had to take them. They landed behind us there.
I got them.
You got them? They love that call. They turned.
Not bad. Right.
Ducks. Great start to the morning though. Currently calling in some ducks.
They're ready to fly.
God, I hate ducks during early season. Oh God, yeah. Ready? Probably should have taken them. And they landed. We might be able to jump those ones, huh?
Huh?
We should really go get those ones out.
Yeah.
All right, let's do it. Stay low. Oh God, they're right there. Huh?
I see him.
Yeah, we're gonna have to shoot from here. You ready?
Yep.
Go. Yeah.
Here comes some more.
Get it.
They're close.
Shoot them as they fly over. Ready?
Yep.
Take them. You hit the one.
Here comes some more.
Where? Did you see the two?
Oh, what?
I don't see the two. I don't have my fucking calls either. I dropped them. We jumped those two.
I'm coming back.
They're coming back. You ready? I really need to go grab my calls. Oh my God, they're moving and coming back again. Oh, they're coming low. They want it. Oh my God. You ready?
Yeah.
Back right.
Yep.
Take him.
God damn it.
I dropped the one. I dropped the close one. Where?
Get down.
Where?
Right in front of us. 50 yards in front of us.
That's
Flying right at us.
that's a seagull. I'm gonna grab my calls, please. Big spot coming in. You're coming. You ready? Take him. Stay down, stay down, stay down. I never saw him land. All right, two more left. Oh, like 12 more left. Oh my God, there's a bunch of groups.
Try to let them land. Let them land.
Oh God, ready? Take him. I just shot 4. Oh, that one's getting away. I shot 4.
Fucking gun jam.
Huh? No. Kind of. I need to go get this one though. There's that one crawling away back there. Dude, you don't die. Oh my God, that was way too far running. Why is he just sitting there?
I don't know. Thought we were allowed to shoot him.
Well, I'm gonna shoot these 2 geese.
Yep. Out of this truck. Let him get past too strong.
Yep. Stick. Get him.
No.
But he's still just sitting there.
Huh?
I don't know what the hell he's doing, but... Buddy, why are you sitting there? The back seat is full of people too.
Huh?
The back seat has people in it too.
And f***ing us.
Kind of. Very much so. His first flock is coming. Ready?
Go.
Take him. I dropped one over here.
I got one over here.
Here, get down, get down, get down. There's two coming in from behind. Ready? Take them. Got him. I clicked. All right, let's go get these ones. They're circling in from the right. Oh God, coming right out, super low. Here we go, ready? Take them. Well, that certainly wasn't bad. We absolutely destroyed the one right in front of us.
Got him?
Yeah.
Oh, why is there a geese right here?
I had to shot that one. Dude. Okay, I hit him. Dude, these geese don't die. Update, we are at 19 birds. We try and make it 20 here and call it a day. It's only 8:19. They might flare with all these birds right behind us. Oh my God. Yes. 3 are. 3 are coming hot. Shoot these 3. Ready? Wait, wait. Kill him. There we go. 22.
I think I shot through there.
Yeah, you did. I shot the last one. Yeah, go for it. Just shoot him. Well, hit him. Hit him. There you go. Oh, you got him there. You breasted him out. I'm good to call it whenever. I think we count our success and go to bed. There's no point in pushing our luck here. I don't want to get too close for our limit and accidentally get a double or something. Dude, they landed with the birds like this. It's too easy.
How do we follow up?
Okay, sorry for the quick outro here, but it is starting to rain. And we also don't want to clean more than 22 birds, so it is time to go. "22 birds between two of us. What time? It's before 9 o'clock. We were done shooting at about 8:30. Definitely can't complain about that. But make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace out.